You guys, we are trying to do a closet clean out. Again, don't judge me. So I just made my bed so it looks a little bit more presentable, but we are headed to American Dream Mall in a little bit, me and my sister. I don't know if my mom is coming or not. I don't know if she's working or whatever, but my sister lives in Delaware, so I think you guys probably know that. So we don't really get to spend that much time together because obviously we're both like working and both doing everything. But since she's up here, she was like, hey, you want to go to the mall and go shopping tomorrow? And I'm like, yes. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna take you with me with my DJI. I'm not going to bring I'm not bringing a tripod. I probably have to charge this a little bit. I'm gonna bring this with me, and it gets smaller, but I feel like this is good for now. Let me see. Oh, I don't know where this was sticking. I was sticking at the top of this. So yeah, we'll probably just bring the DJI with me just so I can record if I need to record. And it could be for both because like I said, I could do TikTok and YouTube on that one, but lately I've been using my Sony TV-E10 to record. For all of Vlogmas, I pretty much use this one and it's just better, and I got a new mic as well, so I feel like the Rode mic, but I feel like something about the Rode mic, it's like the best mic. I don't know, like the Sony mic is good, but it's not as good as this one. Like I could literally see when I'm recording the volume level of the mic, and it's like a good distance away. This is my hand, and I mean I'm only 5 feet, so I don't know, but the camera is more than 5 feet away from me. No, this is 5 feet? No, what the heck? This is probably like 3 feet. The camera's like 3 feet away from me, and or maybe 2 feet, and I feel like I can still see how the volume is going up when I'm recording this. For now, I'm gonna leave this over here. You guys didn't even see, but look, you see that? I put, like, you know how Leah's face did the whole little arc thingy? I did that. It's right for Michael's. I should put my lights on my bed. Oh, I wanted to do the light on the mirror, but I love the lights on the bed. Something about it just gives like Christmassy vibes. So I feel like when me and my husband were coming in like at nighttime and like everything is dark and the lights are just on, it just gave a vibe. And y'all, we are going to be redoing our bedroom, and I can't wait because y'all don't really see the amount of stuff that we have around. And this is actually the neater version of us cleaning the house, but I just don't want stuff all over our room anymore. I think we're getting to a place where we don't even have that much stuff. We have like 2 nightstands and a chest that I don't even use, like a jewelry chest that I literally don't use. We have this big rug, but we need to get a new rug because this rug is like old. Like we're gonna be here for 7 years in January, so we've been here for 7 years. But the rug we got when we first got here, so obviously like it's different than what we have now. But that's all we have in the room because the room itself is huge. Like we have a bed, which is big. We have a king size bed. Then we have like a little, like, I don't know what that is, stool or whatever, not stool, like a bench, like a little gray bench. And then we have here, I have my mirror, I have my little nook, so I have my chair here, we have this mirror here, we have this plant here, we have the painting, and then right here we also have like a fireplace kind of like dresser top thing that we could put books in. But for Christmas, my husband was like, we could just redo the bedroom, and I was like, yeah. So I gotta figure out like what is my vision for our master bedroom. Like I want it to be like when we come in, like it's a master bedroom like suite. That's what I kind of want. So I don't know yet what the vision is gonna be like, but I'm excited because we haven't really redone our room in a long time, and y'all don't really know, but I used to be like the type of person, like if something is the same for too long, I gotta move it around. Like when I lived in my old place, I would literally just be moving furniture around. Like when we lived before we lived, I would just be like, okay, it's a random day, I need a change, and I would switch the bedroom up. But we've been here consistently 6 years, going on 7, no change in the bedroom, like besides the bedding, but no change in the actual rearrangement of furniture or anything like that. So I feel like it's like I need a change. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Time check, it's 1:16, so it's still pretty early. I know whenever I go to the mall, I want to get like a coffee, but then I have to go to the bathroom right away. I don't know if anybody else is like that, like you gotta go to the bathroom immediately after drinking coffee. I don't want that, you know? Are my lips dry? They're not dry, they're just not like moisturized. So yeah, I'm loving the straight hair lately. So if you see me like flowing it around, that's what I look at. Did you see where that just falls? Like, come on. I probably should do curls honestly, but I'm just letting it do its own thing. Also, I haven't done lashes in like a week. I haven't had any lashes on. I'm actually just liking the way my face looks, which is not bad. It's just regular. I don't know. I did lashes and they were like real subtle. And then I feel like when I do makeup, I can do lashes, or I could just do lashes because I just feel like they make it look put together. But the lashes I want are the smaller version, and I need to just reorder them. Okay, how long have I been talking? Oh my God, I've been talking to you for 5 minutes straight. So let me go and I will talk to you guys a little bit later. You're gonna see what we're doing today. I'm gonna try to get, what day is it? My outfit of the day is super cute. I'm going with these. I feel like you can't see. That sucks. I'm gonna go with these Uggs for today, and I feel like you could see whatever's over there in the corner. But this is my outfit. I have on this essential shirt, and then I have on black leggings. I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Let me see what I can erase from this memory card so I can talk to you guys later. Bye. I'm literally vlogging in T-Mobile right now. We have good sunlight over here, except my eyes look a little bit baggy because I don't need anything from here. I don't need a new phone. I don't need anything. I don't need a speaker. I don't need a watch. I don't need an iPad. I don't need anything. I'm proud of myself right now. That's my sister. You gonna say hi or you gonna...
Hi guys, how are you? She's a pain.
All right, let's go.
What understands this man?
Yes. So good. It's actually not that good.
It's not. No.
No, it's
I
alright.
like chocolate martinis though.
You guys, we are trying to do a closet clean out. Again, don't judge me because I know I cannot be the only one. I look insane right now because literally all day, this is all I've been doing, is trying to clean out my daggone closet. So far, I don't know if you guys remember last year, everything I did, but this is what I have so far. I probably should get a light, but I don't have my... I hate the fact that I can't see with this on though. Like, so we have been cleaning out our closet pretty much all day. Right now, I'm about to order Dunkin' Donuts. My son already wanted it and I wanted it too, so we're gonna get that. These closet little light thingies, I had to charge them. Got them, I think, towards the end of last year. My closet, basically what is looking like right now is I'm trying to get rid of stuff. So I've been cleaning out my closet pretty much all day. I have like literally 4 things of clothes to wash just from being all around the house. This is what I was talking about. This light literally died just now. I just have a lot of stuff in this closet. Like, y'all can't even see everything. So the stuff, I'm trying to bend you down. Okay, there you go. The stuff on the floor, I'm actually getting rid of. Like, I no longer am going to use this stuff because I don't really wear it and I just need to get rid of it. Those back things in that back area where my shoes are, that is actually like summer clothes. So what I'm going to try to do, what I think I might do, is put my summer clothes inside of the suitcase and put them upstairs until I get a bin. So they're just out of the way, out of this closet. And then things I need to get tailored, I want to put together so I can go to the tailor and get them tailored. And I actually started doing that this year. This bench, I don't know where I'm going to put it. I put it in my rug, like in this little area, but I might change that too. I don't know, y'all. I'm just all over the place, just thinking about like what I want to do differently this year. I just want to be organized. Just gotta get stuff out of here. So I'm gonna get a big trash bag and just get rid of the things that I no longer am using. Like, that's what I think I need. I like this little tendril down here. Did I just order this? I'm literally ordering Dunkin' Donuts right now because my son has been asking me all day, and he's the type of kid, like, he'll just keep on asking. So I don't know if anybody else's children are like that. Mine is. Like, are you gonna get, like, sir? So we are just, yeah, cleaning out this closet. I actually think I'm gonna get, so I have like summer dresses in here that I need to get rid of. Like, this is a summer dress. A couple of these things are like for the summer, and I just really need to get rid of them so I can put like my winter stuff. Like, see, like the blazers are the winter stuff. Unnecessary. But the summer stuff is kind of like in the way. And like, I haven't even worn this jacket yet. Like, I want to wear this jacket too. Some stuff I know I'm not gonna wear. Like, some stuff I'm just hanging up right here just so I can get it out of the way. But in reality, like, this right here is not supposed to be here. I have to put these away. I have 2 pairs of pajamas I bought from Target. I'm gonna put these away, the out-in ones. Okay, cute. And y'all, I lost a nail today. Why? Probably because I didn't put them on the right way. I got this up here and I forgot it was up here. I gotta put this downstairs because my perfumes that I have set up right here, it's just like enough for what I have, and these are the ones I commonly use. Actually, not all of these. I have all my Dossier perfumes up here. I don't always use it. This old purse, I feel like this could go in the freaking attic. I don't even wear this. It's like an old wallet, old purse. I'm trying to get rid of stuff I don't really use anymore. I don't want to throw that away. I don't know. Like, should I give that away? I have this Pumi shirt. It's black. I have a red one too and a gray one. It's long sleeve and I love that for me. Now you can actually see the floor. My closet is like a walk-in closet. Like you can actually walk through and it's like a little hallway and everything and stuff else. So it's like pretty big. But this back area is like 2 more bookshelves stacked up here, which I just folded. And then my shoes and stuff. If I move this suitcase, oh my gosh, like I don't know what this is. These are workout clothes I don't wear. Like some of these are tight and I just don't feel like being tight in them. I'll just get more. Okay, so you're at the other side of my closet. These lights are literally horrible, but this is what I have. I have like an area where I can hang stuff here as well. Then these purses on the floor, you can't really see, but I just folded all of these clothes back up, and then I have more back here that I started to fold. And yeah, that's really it. That's what I'm saying. Like some of this stuff, I can actually literally move at the top of this. So I'm gonna see if I can do that now. Let's see. These slippers, I wore these for my photo shoot last year. I'm so freaking hot, but I think that's really what I need to do in my closet. And then the top part of my dresser drawer thing where I put like my intimate stuff, I need to clean up the top of that. I don't know what I'm going to put on that, but I definitely need to clean up the top of that. So yeah, this is what my closet is looking like right now. I mean, some stuff I feel like I should just get rid of because I've never worn it. Like this is a dress I never wore. Or what am I saving it for? Wigs in here that need to go downstairs in the basement. You know what I mean? Like I just need to get rid of. The point is, I needed a space and I need to be able to clear my mind. And I said I wanted to have like a prayer room in my house and change my thinking, change my life. And I need a clear, clean space. So this right now is literally going to be that space. Once I move these things out of the way, once I move this, once I take my stuff to the, not to the cleaners, but to the cleaners, but also to the tailor to get rid of that, or to, not to edit, but to change my clothes, or to, what the heck is it called? Modify, adjust, seam my clothes, whatever. I need to do that. I feel like I also need to take out these shoes because they are summer shoes and I need to actually put my winter shoes in here. Like I got my sneakers, as you can see, like my sneakers are there, my Uggs are there. These are by no means all of my shoes, but I have shoes everywhere. But this is just what I can fit in here. Yeah, I have so many pairs of shoes. Honestly, it doesn't make any sense, but that's just what we have. That's what we're doing. So I feel good, y'all, because this closet clean out like the first time was insane. The second time, not so bad, but I have so much stuff. So I'm going to, I think, gather these things and put them in the attic, but I'm going to put them inside of my suitcase and then put them upstairs in the attic. That way it's just out of the way. And then I'm going to ask my husband to put my bags at the top of my closet. So that's just done. Do y'all remember we were going crazy over these Lulu bags? Now look at this, just in my closet collecting dust. I'm going to feel so much better once my closet is done. This is probably the first time I could step actually all the way back in this area, which is fantastic. These bags, as long as my husband could put them up there, those bags are done. These things are gonna go in that closet bin thingy. I have this shirt, but am I gonna wear this? This is the question. This is this shirt, and I got it from Zara, I think. Happiness, or I got it off of Poshmark. Happiness and giving creates love. The question is, am I really gonna wear this? Am I gonna wear this, or am I just, is it just gonna be a sweatshirt in my closet? I love a good sweatshirt. I love a good cozy little fit, but like some sweatshirts I've had for years, they have like oil stains and I still like them. So I feel like even though it looks messy like that way and clean this way, we are making progress in this closet, and that makes me feel good. The sight line, see, this is what I'm saying. So those things are gonna go in that suitcase. The DoorDash is here. So I just picked up my Dunkin'. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop here. Now look at the floor. Okay, so now you guys, ignore this stuff over here. This is gonna go away, but you can see my floor. You can see my freaking floor. So I'd say I did a pretty good job, okay? So now you can see that my closet for the most part is finished. I feel so happy. I feel good. I feel like I can breathe. I still have to clean up the top of my dresser drawers or whatever, but I feel like I'm gonna do that throughout the next couple days. The goal is by New Year's to have all my clothes washed and my closet cleaned out. And right now, it's looking like that's definitely gonna be done because it's almost done right now and we still have, it's December 27th. So yeah, I feel good. Maybe I'll come back when I'm fully finished. So I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Bye.